Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabrina and today I'm going to make a video about how you can contour your face. So we're going to discuss about three things today. One, how I contour my face. Two, what are the products that I use. And three, what are the products available in India and the products that I use from the affordable range. Before I begin with this, you guys, I'm going to tell you that I'm not going to show the whole makeup process for the look. But if you guys want to look how I created this look, make sure you visit my Instagram page because I have uploaded the video for the same look. I'll link the video below in the description box. Make sure you just go ahead and check my Instagram and also follow me there. So without any much further ado, let's begin. Firstly, to begin with your contouring, make sure you start with your cheekbone. That gives you more chiseled look that you really want. So firstly, I make sure that I go really deeper on my temple areas. So like on my temple areas, I make sure that I make this deeper line and then I go down up till this area and I bring that contouring. Then I go ahead with my nose. Always make sure while doing your nose that you do not keep huge spaces between the two lines that you're gonna make, because the broader the lines, the broader the nose, and the narrower the lines, the shorter and more structured and defined your nose would look. So that is what I would suggest you guys. My face is somewhere between oval and round, so I make sure that I make my cheekbones cut more and over these areas. Then I'll go over here. If you want, you can also use that product over here as well. Make sure you go through what is correct for your face type. So firstly, make sure you know what is your face type and then accordingly go ahead with the contouring. This is what I do, but for your face type it may differ. Secondly, I would talk about the products that you might need. So you will be needing a contouring product. So the products that I have here is this, the NYX Professional palette. This is how the palette looks like. This palette is a little bit expensive because it's more like for professionals, but I think this is really a good product. But if you are on a budget and you want to use something else and you want something in cream, you have this here in India. So we have this by Kay Beauty. It's like the recent launch. This is not a sponsored video, you guys. This is purely what I use. So basically, for the powder formula, I use the NYX palette, and for the cream contouring, I use this by Kay Beauties. These both are from the affordable brands, even though this palette comes in little higher range of product, but then they're good. The loose powder part, I have like three products with me. One is by Kay Beauties. This is how the box looks like, and then I have one by the Maybelline, their Fit Me range. This is how the product looks like. And then I have from the Color Bar, this. Now you could be using any of these products, but I'm going to show. So for contouring, you need angular brushes. You can use any brushes, but these are the brushes that I use. I bought this from Miniso. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this is literally from Miniso. I bought this also from a random makeup shop where I got this like this set of few brushes, and I have this angular brush. So they're very inexpensive and good because you buy them in sets, so that's really good. You can also use a beauty blender or something other like that, but I usually prefer using a brush while doing my contouring part. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to all the things in the drill, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.